As a prosthodontist, I went to school for 3 years to learn how to do extensive treatments. Full mouth reconstructions was actually one of the top of the treatments that we have to do. And we did that from the scratch, from the beginning to the finish line. So we had to do a lot of lab work. We have to do basically everything by ourselves in the lab as a resident. So that helped me basically to understand what needs to be done. By doing the reconstructive dentistry at my office, we can help the patient to replace missing teeth. We can help the patient to get their functionality back. And at the same time, we can create a nice smile for the patient. So with reconstructive dentistry, we can address both function and aesthetic at the same time. And you want to make sure that you always go to an experienced dentist to do a reconstructive dentistry.